Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. Quick reminder, everything we chat about today is purely for educational purposes, not financial advice. So, let's dive into today's market action. First up, the top daily movers. Silver is leading with about a 2.7% gain, Ethereum's up 2.1%, and gold has increased by 1.5%. These assets are showing quite a bit of intraday volatility, which could be important for those of you looking for entry points. Now, let's talk about Bitcoin. If you've been here for the last few updates, you know Bitcoin's been on quite a ride. Today, it closed at $67,000, marking around a 1.2% gain. The intraday range was about 3.5% of its closing price, indicating some heightened volatility. The SUSY M indicator is sitting at 0.51, showing a moderate alignment. The Chaikin money flow, or CMF, is positive, which suggests there's some underlying buying pressure. However, the mean reversion component is a bit low at 0.42, which might suggest potential for further price adjustments if the market conditions line up right. Moving on to Ethereum, it presents a bit of a different picture. Closing at 2020, Ethereum posted a 2.1% gain. Its intraday range was a substantial 5.2%, reflecting significant volatility. The SUSY M indicator is weaker for Ethereum at 0.42, and the CMF is showing less conviction at 0.12, despite strong divergence signals. This mixed signal could imply that while there's momentum, the underlying flow isn't as supportive. Traders might want to watch for further confirmation before considering any setups. If you're getting value from these updates, subscribe, click the bell, and like the video. It helps a ton. Turning to gold, we see a 1.5% increase, closing at 45.10. Gold's intraday volatility was 3.6%. The SUSY M indicator is relatively strong at 0.61, driven by a high mean reversion component. However, there's a disagreement between the CMF and divergence indicators, which suggests some caution. The CMF is quite low, indicating potential selling pressure, while divergence remains strong. Silver, with its 2.7% rise, closed at 70. It experienced the highest intraday volatility among the assets today at 5.7%. The SUSY M indicator is stable at 0.62, with strong divergence but weak CMF. This pattern of disagreement might suggest that while price action is positive, the underlying market flow isn't fully supportive. Lastly, the US 100 index saw a slight decline of 0.4%, closing at 22,900. Despite this, the SUSY M indicator is the strongest among the assets at 0.65. The CMF is neutral, but divergence and mean reversion are high, indicating potential for a reversal if conditions persist. In summary, today's market shows several notable movements. Silver and Ethereum are the standout gainers, though both exhibit mixed signals in terms of flow and divergence. Bitcoin and gold show moderate gains with some underlying caution due to indicator disagreements. The US 100, despite its decline, shows potential for reversal based on its strong SM indicator reading. The base case for these assets suggests that while there are opportunities, the mixed signals warrant a cautious approach. Invalidation of these setups would occur if the current divergences resolve unfavorably, leading to a shift in momentum or flow. As always, keep an eye on the charts and stay informed. I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on these movements? Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time for more market insights.